Do you want to start investing but feel overwhelmed by all the jargon and numbers? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll break down everything you need to know to start investing in the stock market in 2024, step by step, in simple terms. By the end, you'll be ready to take your first confident step toward building wealth. Let's get started. Why invest in 2024? 2024 is a fantastic time to start investing, with technology making it easier than ever to begin and markets offering opportunities for long-term growth. There's no better time to take control of your financial future. Explained simply, the stock market is a place where people buy and sell ownership of companies in the form of shares. When you buy a stock, you own a small part of a company. The value of your stock goes up or down based on how well the company performs or how the market feels about it. Relatable example. Think of it like owning a small slice of your favorite pizza shop. If the shop becomes popular, your slice becomes more valuable. Importance of time in investing. One of the most powerful tools in investing is time. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow due to compound interest, which means earning returns on your returns. Visual example. Imagine planting a tree. The earlier you plant it, the bigger it grows. Waiting another year just delays your financial growth. Set clear goals. Why are you investing? Is it for retirement, a dream house, or financial independence? Having a goal keeps you motivated. Create a budget. Invest only what you can afford to leave untouched for a few years. Start small. Even $50 a month can grow significantly over time. Choose a reliable brokerage app. Platforms like Robinhood, Fidelity, or Zerodha make it easy to start. Do some research and pick one that suits your needs. Start with index funds. For beginners, index funds like the S&P 500 are great. They're low cost, less risky, and give you exposure to a basket of companies. Be patient. The stock market is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't panic over short-term ups and downs. Focus on long-term growth. Avoid chasing hot stocks or following hype. It's risky. Don't invest money you might need soon. Diversify your portfolio. Never put all your eggs in one basket. Keep emotions in check. Stay consistent with your plan. If you're ready to start, here's your quick action plan. Research and choose a brokerage platform today. Start with small investments. Don't wait for the perfect time. Educate yourself weekly. Watch videos like this, read blogs, or follow financial news. Investing in the stock market can seem intimidating at first, but trust me, once you start, you'll realize it's not as complicated as it seems. Remember, every expert investor was once a beginner, just like you. So, why wait? Take that first step today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's also looking to start investing.